Okay guys, welcome back to our video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use your Google Lens on Android. So let's go to, you're going to go and search for our picture that we want to take. So maybe you can you use Google Lens to search, to translate very quickly. So I'm going to go and search for one picture. Let's go to our photo here now. Click on your photo. And you let me click on this now. You can see, then you click on lens. When you click on lens, you cannot, this is it. You want to search, you want to translate or anything, just click on the text you want to translate. You can see I've clicked on this text now, and if you want to listen, click on the listen, and Google is going to tell you what it is. Let me
IVYFLUR.
loud it so that you hear what Google said. You can see. Now let me listen again.
IVYFLUR.
You can see IVYFLUR. So that is, the Google Lens is very easy to use. If you want to translate this now and you want to copy, just click on the copy, and it has copied it. Now you can see you can later use it. If you want to translate, just click on your translate, and Google is going to translate this for you. IVFLUR. You can see it is because this is just okay, you can see IVFLUR. So it is very easy to use. You can use it to translate anything, to listen to what they write. If you did not know what they write or how to pronounce it, you can use your Google Lens to do it. It is very easy and fast. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.